Hi everyone and welcome to CodingZest.com. Guys, in our previous video we implemented the edit operation in our Firebase Realtime database using Flutter, and in this video I will show you how you can delete data from Firebase Realtime database by clicking on this delete icon. So let's start our tutorial. As you can see here, the edit icon, I have already created a gesture detector and for the delete icon, and inside this on tab we will when the user tap on the delete icon, so we will delete the data from Firebase Realtime database by using the unique key. And to remind you, we are getting the unique key from the student map, and the student map is coming from the snapshot.value. Okay, and we are adding this key in the student map by taking it from snapshot.key. Okay, so let's move ahead. And first of all, we need to create a database reference. We have a reference here, but this is for getting the data. This is the query reference. As you can see here, we need the database reference. So simply type database reference, and I will name it a reference, and it will equal to Firebase database, I think, yeah, Firebase database instance. Okay, Firebase database dot instance dot ref, and inside this child we will pass our database name, and the name is students. Okay, and by the way, if you need this source code, so you can find link in the description below. Okay, so we have created the database reference. Now what we will do, we will simply go to this on tab on this gesture detector, and we will simply type reference dot child. We are referencing this parent node, this student node, and we will reference to this child, the first one or second one or third one, by using this key when we are getting the key from the Firebase. Okay, so in the path we will simply type student, and we will pass the key here. This is not the key, but this is a key for our unique ID. Okay, and we will use dot remove. Okay, and here in this case you can also implement alert dialog or any kind of dialog to the user that a user really want to delete the data. But here I will just simply show you how you can remove data from Firebase Realtime database. Okay, so this line will remove the corresponding data. Okay, so I will just simply restart my application, and now we will see. Okay, so our app is restarted, and if I go to fetch data, and if I want to remove this third record, so I will click on this, and as you can see here, the record is deleted. And now if you want to implement an alert dialog, so you will need to show the dialog on this on tab. Okay, but here the main purpose of this tutorial to show you how you can remove the corresponding data. Okay, so we are using the unique key of each record of each node to delete the node from here. So if I want to remove this first one, so I will just simply click on this delete, and it will delete it from Firebase database. Okay, and now if I go back to fetch data, so as you can see, now we have only one record in our database. So that's the end of this series. And if you want this all source code, so you can find the link to the source code in the description below. And if you have any question regarding the Firebase Realtime database with Flutter, so you can ask me. And if you want to know about Firebase Realtime database with Kotlin, so you can go to my channel, and you can access that playlist as well. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. And if you like this video, please share this video with your friends, and also make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and the bell notification option is on, so you won't miss the upcoming videos.